Hi, students. It's Miss Atkins here. Today, we're going to explore writing numbers in different rational forms. We're going to take the information provided here in this chart that, if you look at it, it's elements as a percent of total body weight. So we're looking at percentages, and we're going to take the information on this chart. We're only going to look at the elements that are from phosphorus, to sulfur. Those are the elements we're responsible for. And we're going to take those elements and we're going to record those elements on to this table. I've taken the liberty of transcribing the percentages from phosphorus to sulfur, the percents, and if we're talking percents, I want you to know that percent means per 100 or out of 100. And the way that we write the percent symbol is like this. So all the numbers in that column are percentages taken from the graph we just viewed. You have phosphorus at 1.0%, 1%, potassium at 0.4, 0.4%, sodium at 0.2, 0.2%, chlorine at 0.2 as well, 0.2%, magnesium 0.1% or 0.1%, and sulfur 0.04 or 0.04%. And since percent means per 100 or out of 100, if we would to write phosphorus, we would write it as 1 per 100 or 1 out of 100 or 100. So when we do that, the fraction bar is also a division bar. So we are going to divide the percent by 100 to find the decimal form of that. The easiest way to do that is to pick up your decimal, move it 2 places to the left, put your new decimal point where it goes, fill up any of these spaces here with a 0. Your decimal for 1% is then 0.01 or 100th. We'll do the same for potassium. Move it 2 places to the left, fill up the holes with a 0. Your decimal for 0.4% is 0.004 or 4 thousandths. Same with sulfur. We're going to divide by 100, so we're going to pick up that decimal, move it 2 places to the left, new decimal point. That becomes 0.002 or 2 thousandths. Chlorine is the same, so move 2 places, fill up those spaces or with a 0, and it becomes 0.002 as well, 2 thousandths. Magnesium, pick up that decimal 2 places to the left, record your new decimal, fill up the holes with zeros. You get 0.001 or 1 thousandths. For hundredths of a percent, pick up that 0, divide by 100, new decimal point, gonna add your zeros, you get 0.0004. That is 4 10,000ths. The next thing we're going to do on the following video is change that decimal to fraction form and then calculate